there are other events which validate what you have done. मैंने आज तक जो किया है ठीक हुआ है, so you are getting a proof of that, or you are getting some response from your audience which says that okay, whatever you have done makes sense. And I see this not as an appreciation, as a recognition from students of this class or this batch. I think for me it means that 5 years ago I took a decision that I want to work with students. I left corporate training, I left Bombay. I took a lot of big decisions about my life. Decisions which took me on a major up and down in life. I had to compromise on the number of hours I would put in my other businesses, or on being with family, or spending time with my parents. Okay? And whenever I was away from all that and I was single-minded about being with students, I always used to keep telling my mother used to always phone me and say, I miss you, you are not with me, I miss you. Even if you come to Bombay, you just come for 2 days and, she stays in Andheri, I stay in Vashi. So, sometimes even in Bombay, traveling is a bigger headache. Bombay से Pune जितना time लगता है उतना शायद वाशी से कभी-कभी बोरीवली लग जाता है. And I used to keep motivating myself at that time by saying that I think the best gift I can give to my mother is to make sure that I spend my time in the right place. Me sitting and spending 6 hours with her would not prove to be beneficial to anybody else. But if those 6 hours can be spent with an audience which really needs, or is an audience which where what I know or what I have understood proves to be beneficial, then that would be the right way for me to give back to my mother what I had got from her. So it's payback time, as I say. Whatever my parents have done for me, in some ways I have tried to create a life which is a combination of what I have got from them, or the values that they have practiced. My father is a businessman who came to Bombay penniless. But as a businessman, he practiced some amazing values in terms of integrity towards his clients. And he was able to revolutionize a particular system in his work which really increased the efficiency of central government offices, even as a printer. And his commitment to his clients is possibly what prevented him from being with me. I missed my father because he was busy with his work. But then it took me a lot of time in my life to realize that work is more important, because work is pure. Work is actually where you are improving your environment. You are contributing to improving the environment around. So when I came into training, I wanted to emulate that value of my father. I did not get personal. There are some things about him which I did not like, I do not like, or I don't disagree with. But that did not prevent me from realizing that there were certain values about him which were so strong that the only way I could connect with him would be through those values. And my mother was a teacher. She taught for 35 years before she went into social work. So, being a son of a teacher and a businessman, I felt that the best way for me to continue on the thought would be to identify something wherein I am able to combine both the thoughts. And along with that, my own spirit of being free. I am an extremely mobile person, I am an extremely free person. I enjoy going to new places, I am not scared of meeting new people. So I had to create a model where all these aspects of my life would be experienced in totality.